Hello. In UseResponse, you can handle user requests coming from various channels. In this video, we'll show you how to manage all these requests in one place. Go to the Inbox section. By default, you'll find predefined reports. Inbox shows all requests in your Help Center in the list view. If you use only Live Chat solution, it might be helpful to change the list view. Click Customize icon and enable Chat View. In addition, you can choose one of the views of the left navigation panel with requests. At the top of the report, you can find options to filter, sort, group, add new columns on the go without any report management. You can edit predefined reports to specify your own conditions. To manage personal and other agents' reports in the system, click Options, Manage Reports. You'll see personal reports by default. If you need to modify or delete the reports that belong to a specific agent or a team, go to the Required tab and perform modifications. Please keep in mind that agents can control only their personal reports, while administrators and agents with Manage Reports permission can manage all reports in the system. In case you want to modify the existing report for all agents in the team, you need to switch to Available for All tab and click Edit icon next to the report. If this report has already been modified by team members, the system will ask you whether it should replace modified reports with updated one or not. Here, you can also deactivate reports not to display them temporarily. Based on your business workflow, you can build additional reports both personal and for other agents in the team. Let's create a report to show the requests that are assigned to you and require your reply. Click the plus icon and select Report in the list. Enter the title. Add necessary conditions. Select the Availability option to define who can see the report. Set management permissions for other agents, whether they can modify or just view the report. Define grouping and sorting parameters that should be applied. The final report has also table columns that provide additional information on the request. There could be a maximum of 5 columns in the list. Finally, you can either run the report for getting one-time results or save it to be used later on a frequent basis. Thank you for your attention.